Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Looking at a 2002 Suzuki Rodeo, no start condition. Always, I repeat, always start with the simplest things. Do not start tearing your car apart, looking at Google and all this other stuff. Always come to it and start with the simplest things. Remember, if your car is not starting, your starter needs power. So start with the battery. Grab your hand, look at that. It is moving. There's no way that's going to do full contact and have that starter to turn this engine. The starter needs a minimum of 9.5 volts to start this engine. Just because the inside of your car has power doesn't mean nothing. It only takes 5 volts of the battery to give your inside any kind of power. You need a minimum of 9.5 voltage. Well, when you turn that key and then you're going to put a load on the battery. So your battery needs at least 12.5. And when you hit that key, you're going to draw down. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.